Welcome to today's radio talk show. I'm Lisa.
And I'm Tom. Today, we're talking about TOEIC, the test for English communication. Many people need at least 600 points. Lisa, what is TOEIC?
TOEIC stands for Test of English for International Communication. It checks listening and reading skills. Many companies use it to measure English ability.
Right, the test has two main sections, listening and reading. Listening is 45 minutes and reading is 75 minutes. The total score is 990, but many job requirements ask for at least 600 V.
Yes, the listening section has 4 parts: photographs, question response, conversations, and talks. The reading section has 3 parts: incomplete sentences, text completion, and reading comprehension.
So, Lisa, how can someone prepare for TOEIC and reach 600 points?
Good question. First, understand your level. Take a practice test. Then, focus on weak areas. If your listening is weak, listen to English daily. Watch English videos, listen to podcasts, or follow TOEIC listening exercises.
I agree. And for reading, read short English articles, emails, and ads. This helps understand real-world English. Plus, knowing common vocabulary is very important.
Right. Also, practice with TOEIC books like ETS TOEIC or Barron's TOEIC. They have real test questions. Work on time management as well.
Yes, and don't forget online resources. Websites like Angvid and TED Talks improve listening skills. For reading, BBC News and VOA Learning English are great. They provide simple but useful content for learners.
Now, let's talk about test-taking tips. First, manage your time. Don't spend too long on one question. If a question is too difficult, move on and come back later.
Good tip. Also, for the listening test, read the questions first. This helps you catch keywords and focus on the right information when listening.
And in reading, focus on keywords. Don't read every word. Just find the main idea and understand the context.
Another great tip is guessing smartly. If you don't know the answer, eliminate the wrong choices first. This increases your chances of picking the correct answer.
Also, practice with a timer. TOEIC test is fast. Train yourself to answer quickly and correctly within the given time.
Exactly, and don't forget grammar. Many questions test grammar knowledge. Review tenses, prepositions, and sentence structures.
Yes, understanding common TOEIC vocabulary is essential too. Words related to business, travel, emails, and customer service appear often. Learn these words in context.
That's true. You can make flashcards with common words and phrases. Review them daily to build your vocabulary.
Another strategy is practicing with a study group. Studying with others helps you stay motivated and improve faster.
Great idea, and speaking of motivation, set a study schedule. Even 30 minutes a day can make a big difference if you stay consistent.
Exactly. Small efforts every day lead to great results.
Another good strategy is taking mock tests regularly. This will help simulate the real test environment and improve your speed and accuracy.
That's a great point. Also, don't just practice passively, take notes while studying. Write down new words, phrases, and grammar rules and review them frequently.
And let's not forget pronunciation practice. Even though the TOEIC is not a speaking test, understanding spoken English quickly is important. Shadowing exercises where you repeat what you hear can really help.
Yes, you can also watch movies with subtitles, then rewatch them without subtitles to check your comprehension.
Exactly, and for the reading section, another tip is skimming and scanning techniques. Skim to get a general idea and scan for specific details.
Great tip, and don't be afraid to use context clues. If you don't understand a word, look at the surrounding words to guess its meaning.
So let's recap. Take a practice test. Focus on weak areas, use TOEIC books and online resources, practice time management, build your vocabulary, take notes, work on pronunciation, take mock tests, and practice skimming and scanning.
Right, and don't forget to stay confident. TOEIC is a test of skill, but with good preparation, 600 points is very achievable.
That's all for today. Thanks for listening.
See you next time. Keep practicing and good luck with your TOEIC test.